So what is anxiety? Is it an illness or a disorder of some sorts? Or is it just an emotion? Anxiety is the body's way of responding to feeling in danger. And this happens whether the danger is real or imagined. It's an inbuilt alarm and survival mechanism that we all have, and it keeps us awake and alert. Welcome back to this channel. I am Christine Philipp. I'm a hypnotist and mind coach, and I help people to overcome anxiety so that they can find the happiness they deserve. So anxiety is an emotional response to a threat. In order to survive the threat to our life, certain functions of our body and our mind are naturally shut off. The only thing that matters in that very moment is to get out of there alive and be safe again. Our fight, flight, and freeze response kicks naturally in and just blanks out other mental, emotional, and physical functions we wouldn't need right there and then. So, what is it that we are not doing when we are in danger? Well, we don't experience hunger or thirst, for example. Hence, we also wouldn't salivate. We would not think clearly, nor speak calmly. We would not breathe deeply. We would certainly not smile. Our body would certainly not be straight up and open. All those things are unnecessary when we need to survive. The only thing we need to do is to act, and to act fast, as in now. So now that we know how we would not react in the face of real danger, we can use those pointers to our advantage and help ourselves to calm our feelings of anxiety when the threat we experience in our daily life is in reality only a perceived threat. So I have 5+1 tips for you how you can do that. Number 1, you could chew a bubble gum in order to make yourself salivate more. Or imagine yourself just biting into a really juicy, fresh lemon. I'm already salivating just by saying this. The signal of salivation is a signal to the brain that we obviously cannot be in danger. We are safe. We experience some sort of hunger or appetite. Salivation is related to those and feelings of anxiety which just naturally calm down because we salivate. Number 2, we would breathe more calmly, emphasizing the out-breath, which makes it easy in general and effortless, that the breathing is becoming more deep and calm you down in no time. Number 3, we could smile. As the mind cannot distinguish between imagination and reality, a fake smile would just do the trick as well. Number 4, you could stretch your body, really stretch. Stretching, opening your body is a powerful signal of being safe. As you stretch, your posture is not only open, but you also release tension. And when you release tension, your body relaxes. And we cannot be anxious and relaxed at the same time. It's simply impossible. Tip number 5. You could tell yourself soothingly, out loud if you need to, I am safe, or I'm just thinking, it is just a thought, and see what happens. Number 6, feelings always change. So when we feel anxious, we often feel like we are stuck in an uncomfortable loop of feelings and negative thoughts and don't know how to get out of it. So take a moment and check in with yourself. How would I feel when this is over and I feel calm again? Expect this to happen. It will happen. Our mind is so very powerful, and when it can trick us into feeling anxious, although there is no obvious threat in front of us, it might as well trick us into feeling calm, light, and well. And as I said earlier, the mind doesn't know if our experience is real or imagined. It treats everything as is, and as if it is real. So do yourself a favor and use this in a more positive way. All the power of controlling your response is already inside of you. So, to a free and happier you. I hope this video was useful for you, and if it was, leave a like, comment, share it, and if you would like to stay updated about new videos, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you won't miss a thing. Thanks for watching and have a lovely day. Bye for now.